So hello, I'm back again. In an early movie, the long one, I showed you a SDI unit that doesn't work, so I have plugged another one on it to see what's happening. It was the pink wire that gives some problems, so I want to know if it is a wire inside or the connector or something else. So we're going to figure it out now. Kijken. Okay, that does work. So the connectors, the wiring is okay. So I get this one out again. Maybe something. Right. This. Check again. Okay. I know enough. This one's faulty. Sometimes it happens. I think it is the second time now. So I have to pick up new one because the wiring is okay. Check it when it works. It works well. I have a lot of people are driving those SDI units. I think over 50 people now. Only last week 4 pieces went to 2 went to England, 1 to Ireland and 1 to Sweden. So it's very strange. Everything out of the Holland, out of the Netherlands is buying one. Ja, loop maar langs. Doe maar. Ja, gewoon voorbij lopen. Doe dan.
Ja, oké, wacht.
Ja, ik ben weg. Zo, doei. So, okay, and you know, I check them because I don't want to send you one that doesn't work. If I do that, I get a lot of problems and it costs me a lot of money to change it or help you, so I check them. This one is not good, but the wiring is okay, so I can undo it very quickly and make a new one. When you have some questions, please email me or send a letter, whatever you want to do. Pictures are always welcome, not too much, not too big, but I can see pictures. And I